Hey guys, Stefen here. Today I'm going to show you how to add an estimated read time to your blog on HubSpot. It's pretty simple to do in a HubSpot blog. What I'm actually talking about is kind of popularized by Medium.com. If you go to Medium, almost all of their articles have like this read time, how long it's going to take in minutes that an article would take for an average reader. So to create something similar to that in your HubSpot blog, all you're going to want to do is edit your blog template, and you can do that just by going to your blog, clicking the HubSpot icon if you're logged in, and click on Edit Layout, and that'll bring you to your design manager. So what you first want to do is decide where you want this to show up. So I'm going to show this, display this right here next to the topics. So in my code, that is right here. And then once you find the spot where you want it to show up, we are going to write a little Hubble snippet, HubSpot's coding language. If you type in bracket content.post body, this will output the entire blog post, but what we're going to do before we finish that is get the word count and then divide by 300, because 300 is about the average word per minute read time for the average person. Add the whatever words, or if you just want like an icon, you can add that next to it. Hit publish, and then we're going to refresh our blog page. And that is how you add an estimated read time to your HubSpot blog. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you out.